Spring is just around the corner. Is your bike ready for it? 7 things that you can easily check yourself to see if your bike is ready. Hello, all you crazy riders out there. Muriel here, and welcome to the channel. With Crazy Rides, Johan and I want to share the fun of road tripping, but also some tips and tricks. So if you don't want to miss our future fun tips and tricks, remember to subscribe to the channel. I have to start with a disclaimer. Although I have been riding a bike for over 20 years, I'm not technical at all, and neither is Johan. We fully rely on people who do know what they're doing regarding maintenance and repairs to the bikes. And if we come across a problem on the road that can't be fixed with duct tape or tie wraps, or even washing line, as we find out, we have to find help. But we do try to check our bikes on possible problems regularly, and especially after we haven't been able to go out on the bikes for a while, which is almost only the case after winter weather and road salt. In this video, we're going to share the 7 checks that we do to see if our bikes are ready for the new season. And if we can do it, you can do it. Before we move the bike, we always check for leakages. A leakage is very important to spot early on. And we make a little walk around the bike. Then we check our tire pressure, as it is one of the most important things for your safety. Check what tire pressure you need, and then go to your local petrol station, or if you have a compressor at home like us, check your tire pressure at home. My bike needs 2.2 and 2.5, and Johan's 2.4 and 2.8. Besides the tire pressure, we also check our tire profile regularly. The legal minimum here in the Netherlands for motorbikes is 1 mm, and apparently that's the same in the UK. In Germany, the legal minimum is 1.6, and it is advised to start thinking about changing your tires if your profile is under 2 mm. Of course, it is best and most handy to use a tire gauge. We recently got one, and before we tried to check it with the trick with the Eurocoin, because they say, and I did check it, that the rim is 3 mm, and I checked a 20p coin has a rim of 2.85 mm. So then you can check the tread of your tires, but it is quite difficult, so we got this one, just a few euros. We also check the oil of the engine. All the other oils will be fine if we haven't found any leakage. Always check what is the right way to check your oil. I have a 96 Road King Harley Davidson, and I should check it on the Jiffy, preferably cold. Johan has a 2013 Road King, and he should check it also on the Jiffy, but hot. Another easy check is your lights. Indicators, and go to the back. Again, right, left, and don't forget your front brake and your back brake. Our bikes have a belt instead of a chain, and we try to regularly check the belt for possible damages. If your bike has a chain, check the chain for damages, but also its tension, and loop it regularly. We also check our brake disc for visible damages, and on the first ride we do a little brake test to see if they're still working. As we always fill up our tank before we park the bikes in the garage, use a trickle charger if we don't use them for a longer period of time, and we didn't find any problems, we are ready to go as soon as temperatures start picking up. And we hope you and your bike are too. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss our future videos. And if you want to keep going crazy now, why don't you watch the video of my little first solo ride in 2022.